Hey guys, it's Jayla, and this is the doggy door, or the laundry door. So here we go. You're gonna see my doggies again. No, no, no. And here's my doggy. Here's my doggy. This one's Bella, and she is 4 years old. Or that one's Mika, sorry. And this one's Bella. That's Bella. Bella. Bella, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Here's Bella. She is 2 years old and she loves to fetch bones. So, what all we do with my puppies are just basically play. They love me. They love me. They love me. So, yeah. See, they love me. See, she'll hug me. And Bella will too. They will both sniff me a lot. Bella, looky, look, good job. Sorry. She is basically afraid. And here's her cage. That's her cage, and there she is, my big girl. And here we go.